guys. Kailangan ko itong dalawa. Sabay. Wala namang asin. Sabi na natin yung pinakamasin. Hindi man. Sa yung pinis, hindi natatangko yung konting asin niya. May bubble gum pala to. May bubble gum.
This method makes it easy to clean the reverse side of the large intestine. This trick is really useful. 4. Don't rush when the pot lid handle is broken. Find a drink bottle. Use scissors to poke a hole in the bottle cap. Cut the top half off the bottle. This is what it looks like after cutting. Then, fix the bottle cap on the pot lid with a screw. Finally, screw on the top half of the bottle. This handle is even better than the original one. 5. Put the bottle opening on a rice bag. This way, you can control how much rice you pour. Put the lid on to prevent dust and moisture. 6. Let me show you how to make a bathroom shelf with a large mineral water bottle. Cut the bottle according to the lines shown in the video. Draw a circle according to the size of the bottle opening. Then cut out the circle you drew. Punch small holes evenly at the bottom for drainage. Now insert the bottle opening into the circle. Put the lid on to make a storage rack. Hang it in the bathroom to store various toiletries. The drainage effect is also great. 7. Assemble the orange juice bottle like in the video.
Ang pinipiga ni Kuya sa kanyang buhok ay hindi basta-basta halaman. Ito ang tinatawag na shampoo ginger. Kung titingnan, ang itsura nito ay parang pine cone. Pero kapag piniga ang cone nito, lalabas ang malapot na katas.
Bubble gum.
At alam... Sabi mo,
Wala, mag-wash ako. Uga.
Boss, siyempre katulad na boss, yung dalawang anak nasa private school na.
Wow, galing naman. Doon sila nag-aral?
Ay hindi boss, doon sila napupwesto. Saging boss.
Wow, daming saging. Negosyo mo, Day?
Boss, siyempre katulad na boss, yung dalawang anak nasa private school na.
Wow, galing naman. Doon sila nag-aral?
Ay hindi boss, doon sila napupwesto. Saging boss.
Wow, daming saging.
Good afternoon.
Ito.
Bye. Thank you for watching.
Nagsama ko na ang DTI, oh. Brother Noli,
Beep.